This would still be the preferred.
Oh, this would be preferred in the 190.
If it's 190.
All right, let's just get it. I'll try it again. Oh, come on.
Try again there.
That is a pain.
And try one more time, see if that...
An airport. There. Automated weather observation at 1800 Zulu. Visibility missing. Altimeter 3010. Weather advisories. Wind 200 at 9er. Gusts 14.
Okay, so
23 Celsius. 2.17.
Okay, definitely in this way.
68%. Density altitude missing. Condensation altitude 3,600.
I would expect maybe some gusts in front of that rain.
Yep. Lockhaven traffic, Archer is 4 miles to the east, inbound for, straight in for 27, Lockhaven. Okay. Oh. Yep. Looks like we timed it real nice there.
Yeah.
Mixture is rich.
And these is still totally visual.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like I say, you get that, you know, a little bit of gust in front of this.
Yeah.
Okay. Just be ready for a go around if you have to.
Yeah. Yep. I hear you.
The nice part about this is you can set up a nice approach. Hopefully.
Keep an extra 5 knots or something.
Yeah.
Good.
Kind of about 75 or something there. And I'm only going to have 2 notches of flaps here,
good.
so
Gotcha.
I don't want to carry too much, otherwise the I'll float, but it's just going to be.
I don't feel too much crosswind.
No, that's why. Okay.
Yeah, you're looking good.
It's low, but it doesn't.
Oh, you look right on.
That's what I think too.
Right on.
No.
Yeah, you can cut any time here.
Oh.
You're high, if
Okay.
anything.
There we go. Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Way back.
At the power, we're. Okay.
Good. Looking good.
Yep.
Looking good.
Okay.
Looking good. Looking good. Good. 65 knots.
Yep.
65.
Fine.
65. 65. 65. 60. Touchdown.
There we go.
Good.
Yeah, I would have touched down sooner if I put more
Yeah, that was real good.
flaps in, but you know.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of times this will do really good right up until the, you know, like you got to fight for it, and then when you start to flare out, that's when you're going to know whether you got to go around or not. And because if it doesn't settle down by that point, then do.
Oh yeah, you had that lined up nice.
Yeah. Yeah, can't beat that touchdown either.
No.
And we have video proof. So,
thank God.
and that right, Cindy.
What?
Thank God. Or you had no worries.
No, I wasn't really worried.
Oh, good. I wasn't worried either.
You know, I was just listening to you guys talking back and forth.
Yeah. Yeah, I was working hard.
Turn this guy off here.
Sure, we'll just do that.
Okay.
I can turn this guy off.